How to make money with Forex trading signals. Hey traders, are you looking to make money with Forex trading signals? In this video, we'll show you how to get started and maximize your profits. Number 1. Understanding Forex trading. So, what are Forex trading signals? Simply put, they're alerts or notifications that suggest buying or selling a specific currency pair at a particular price and time. Number 2. Choosing a reliable signal provider. Choosing the right signal provider is crucial. Research and select a reputable provider that offers accurate and timely signals. Consider factors like signal accuracy, frequency, and customer support. Number 3. Setting up your trading platform now. Let's set up your trading platform. Open a trading account with a regulated broker and ensure it's compatible with your signal provider system. Number 4. Receiving and acting on signals. Receive signals from your provider and execute trades accordingly. Remember to set stop-loss orders and take profit levels to manage risk. Number 5. Tips for success 8:30 to 10:30 to maximize your profits. Educate yourself on Forex trading basics, diversify your strategy, and start small. That's it. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively use Forex trading signals to make money in the foreign exchange market. Section 6. Real-life example. In this example, we received a signal to buy USD at 1.100. We set a stop-loss order at 1.0950 and a take-profit level at 1.1050. Section 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when using Forex trading signals. Don't rely solely on signals. Always do your own research and analysis. Don't overtrade. Stick to your strategy and avoid impulsive decisions. Don't ignore risk management. Always set stop-loss orders and take profit levels. Subscribe to our channel for more Forex trading content and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Happy trading. Remember to keep your